At the JioPhone 501, we have a special launch plan of 594 rupees. So what you get with this 594 rupees plan is, for 6 months you get 500 MB data per day. So that amounts to 84 GB of data across 6 months, and unlimited SMS and voice. And voice obviously in Jio is always free. We don't charge for voice. Secondly, the user will get 6 GB as a coupon offer. If he's availing this scheme right now, he gets 6 GB as an add-on. So he can, anytime, whenever he has finished his 500 MB for a day, he just goes in his MyJio app, activates that plan, and he gets 6 GB instantly. So effectively you are getting 84 plus 6 GB, which is 90 GB of data across 6 months.
Is a bundle for all entertainment, for youth, for old people, and for all generation. If we go for a feature phone which will have a feature like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp and all, phone will cost minimum 8 to 9,000 for people. For what our MDA, Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani had told us, we need to digitalize to mass people, not for the people who are having a smartphone or for a general customer base. In India, we all know more than 50% of users are still using a phone which is under rate of 2,000 or 1,500. This phone we were offering previously at 1,500, now we are offering at 501 with all the recharges. That recharge start from 49 for voice and 99 for half GB a day and free voice for a month, and 153 for a segmented, which will give 1.5 GB a day for 28 days. So I think this will be a thing which all our motto is that ki all of the feature phone we just want to make India 2G मुक्त now. जो भी कस्टमर का अर्निंग इतना नहीं है कि वो एक स्मार्टफोन खरीद सकता है या वो 400-500 का रिचार्ज करा सकता है. Now he can opt for a multimedia platform starting from 501, a cost of a phone, and 49 rupees month recharge for a month. Thank you.
This WhatsApp is specially developed for KaiOS, which is proprietary operating system of JioPhone. As you can see, it works exactly as on Android. We have images, you can send recordings of your voice, you can play video. Just a sample recording. This video is around 14 MB and it's being played on a feature phone. As you can see, WhatsApp for the first time on JioPhone. To YouTube. You can see even YouTube is being played here. You get directions, step by step directions. We'll be launching we have Google Maps launching on JioPhone. So suppose you want to search Baga Beach. You get auto suggestions. Just click on it. Get on this phone. This is the first phone in Goa which is having WhatsApp, YouTube and Facebook and Google Maps. It's the first phone in Goa. We have updated this from backend, and soon these features are all going to go live on 15 August across India. You will be able to update your old phones, and you will also get WhatsApp on your old Jio phone. Basically, in this offer, what you get is you exchange any old feature phone, that is your Nokia or any 2G, 3G or 4G feature phone, and you get a new Jio phone for just 501. So previously this was sold for 1500. So you will be getting this phone just for 500, and you will have all possible features like 4G and a Jio suite of apps. We have Jio Music, Jio Cinema, Jio Video Chat, and I'll demo you. Video chat is seamless, and because our network is so good, it's like there's no buffering. So basically in this offer, the customer has to ensure that he gets a feature phone which is bought after January 1st, 2015. That feature phone should be in working condition. Its LCD should work, keypad should work, it should have a working functional battery, and it should have a charger. So these are the three requisite conditions which will accept the old phone for exchange purpose. Also, if the person wants to do MNP, because Jio phone is locked to Jio SIM network, so he will not be able to use his old number. So we will help to port his old Vodafone, Idea or Airtel number to Jio number. And if he has an old Jio SIM, still he will have to take a new Jio SIM, because Jio phone is locked to a particular Jio SIM of ours. So these are prerequisite conditions. The offer goes live at 5:01 PM. We used to have 49 and 153 rupees recharge on Jio phone. So those were basic, 153 being a high selling recharge. So for that you used to get 1.5 GB data for 28 days and unlimited data and voice. So under this new plan which you are launching, after you buy the phone for 501, and a big added advantage is after 3 years you return this phone, you get it 501 rupees back. So getting over the old phone is around 700 rupees. And keeping all this in mind, you have to remember that Jio phone is always effectively free, because after 3 years we refund the entire amount back to you.